5. Cattle and crops. Hello buddies. Cattle play a vital role to many people. It supplements the income of rural households, particularly the landless and small and marginal farmers. Milk is a perfect food. It is a part of the diet of all young and old. It is essential for the proper growth of the human body. India produces different types of crops due to difference in soil and climate. India is an agricultural country. Most of the people are farmers. They produce different types of crops according to the season. At some places, rice is produced more in quantity, and at some other places, more wheat is produced. In this lesson, we will discuss about some of the domestic animals which give us milk and cultivation of different crops.
Lesson 5. Cattle and crops. We pet some animals in our houses. They are called domestic animals. Some domestic animals such as cow, she-buffalo and goat give us milk. Squeezing milk from the domestic animals is called milking. We get curd from the milk and buttermilk from the curd. Butter is taken from the buttermilk. We get ghee by heating butter. We can prepare cheese and different kinds of sweets with milk. They are tasty to eat. We use milk to prepare coffee and tea. Milk is good for our health. Cow's milk and she-buffalo's milk can be given to kids instead of their mother's milk. Milk has many nutrients, so milk is called a wholesome food.
Villages are more in our country. Agriculture is the main occupation for the villagers. Farmers cultivate crops in their lands.
Farmers use plows for tilling the land. Nowadays, they are using tractors for tilling the land and fertilizers for the well growth of the crops. Farmers sow seeds to get seedlings to grow paddy. They transplant these young plants distantly in the field. Farmers spray pesticides and insecticides to save their crops from various plant diseases. Paddy is the main food grain in our country. It grows well in states like West Bengal, Andhra Pradesh,
Telangana,
Uttar Pradesh, Tamil Nadu,
Odisha,
Punjab and Bihar. Besides paddy and wheat, farmers produce vegetables, fruits, pulses, and root vegetables also. We take all these as our food. The crops that give more income to the farmers are called commercial crops. Tobacco and cotton are some examples of commercial crops. Crops like coffee, tea grow well in hilly areas. We get tea powder from the leaves of tea plants. We get coffee powder from the nuts of coffee plants. We get fiber from jute plants. Gunny bags are made of fiber.
Sugar and jaggery are prepared from sugar cane. If crops grow well, people can lead their lives happily.